Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. Now, today we're doing a quickie unboxing. All right, this is something I bought, and I think in today's world, it's actually a necessity more than just an added thing that a person wants to get. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this, and I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, and what this is called is S22 power bank. But before I get started, that's right, April is my birthday. That's right, I'm actually gonna be 60 years old. That's right, my birthday is April the 5th. I'm gonna be 60 years old. I can't believe it. Thank God for bringing me this far. So, also I want to say hello to my subscribers, existing and new, and viewers as well, no matter what country you live in. Thanks for watching. Okay, give this video, any of my videos that you may like, even in my playlist, a thumbs up, or even give it a thumbs down if you don't like it, if you disagree with me. Yeah, you have the right. Now, the company this is from is called Vanyust. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Now I got this because it's super cool. Okay, this is a 5,000 watt power bank. All right, it was not expensive at all. I did buy it from Amazon, and I know we're doing the boycott. I know I kind of broke it for a minute. I'm back on it. But I did buy it from Amazon, and it was not, like I said, it wasn't expensive. I think it was about $8 bucks. It was on sale, discounted. So let me show it to you. I'm putting the mic down so I can show it to you. This is it. This is side. Like I said, power bank. And that's the back. Let's see what this baby looks like. Noise. Gently take it out. Ooh, nice. Actually like that. Look at that, how slick that looks. Oh, of course it comes with this charger plug. General, you know, C port, USB. Comes with the user manual, and it comes with the power bank. Look how sweet that's smooth, isn't it? Look at that. I bought that $8 bucks. Nice, right? Now, you know what I like about this? Get my mic up here. Do you know what I like about this? This baby is designed. Look how slick that looks too. Right there. Look at it. Look at that. On and off button there. See that? Very nice. But it's designed to fit in your pocket. Whether you walking around with a BBL or you got the little booty, it don't matter. It's designed to fit in your pocket, your purse, whatever you're carrying. And it doesn't take a lot of room. You're looking at it right now. See? Look how beautiful that is too. It's not all loud. What I like about it, it has the, if you can see it, the percentage, show you the percentage up there. What I like about it is that it's not black. And what I mean by that is I got a lot of stuff that's the color black. And when you have a lot of stuff that's color black, when you're looking for it, and let's say you don't have your lights on and you're looking for it, right? You know, it's hard to find. So when you have a lighter color things, it's easier to find. Okay? Now, also, power banks are a necessity these days. Okay? Even if you're looking for a job, you got somebody, you know, interview that's over the phone, wherever it is, and you're running low on energy, that's unacceptable. Okay? Power banks are a necessity. Matter of fact, they can save your life. Okay, whether you camping, you know, your phone is running low on battery. All you gotta do is plug it in to the power bank. You got your new extra battery going to your device, phone, laptop, whatever. Okay, especially in case of emergencies. You should have one of these charged up in your glove compartment or in your back pocket. Okay, because you never know when you're gonna need it. And almost everybody, I don't care if it's even a flip phone, everybody has some form of communicational device these days. Okay, so, and what I don't like, let me tell you what I don't like. I love this thing. That's pretty. Put that away for a second. And this is my little rant. What I noticed, now, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, a lot of the places, Walmart especially, I think Walmart still do sometimes, they used to carry these. You can give them $5, $10, whatever, you know. I would always suggest to get the ones that's $5 or more. You know, if you can't afford the $10, get the $10 one. If I'm talking about for Walmart, okay. I had my experience with the $5 one I bought there a long time ago, and they lasted about 2 weeks. The $10 one I bought lasted a long time. Now, that was at Walmart. But what I'm seeing is a lot of these stores are showing more bling stuff for like your tags or whatever. But they're not showing, sure they may show some remote control light, but they're not showing things for necessity. And I would like to see more power banks, things that would help us in the cases of emergencies. You know what I'm saying? For low prices. I like to see more of that instead of just tons of bling. Okay, a fancy looking tag isn't gonna help charge your phone up, especially in case of emergency. And I think a lot of these stores have moved away. But with our economical situation that we're in now, more people are going towards looking for necessities. And I think a lot of places should start selling things like the power bank, discounted price, good quality ones, and other necessities that people need. Okay, and I remember seeing power banks all over the place. All of a sudden, poof, you don't see them anymore. I'm talking Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Walmart, all over the place now. Bam, you don't see them. But everybody needs them. Trust me, at one point or another. All right, that's my unboxing, and that's my little rant. Thank you for watching, and I'll wrap to y'all later. Peace.